So this is Fulton Market. Just doing a walkthrough.
What I'm saying is that the letter already was giving you $100.
Walking in the street. I've never seen this area before. I've heard of iPic theaters and
burgers, beer, salad.
I think that's it. Like South Street, Seaport, Museum. This is all new to me. I'm like legit a tourist in my own city. Chase Sapphire Lounge. I have Chase, but I'm not Sapphire. Like, okay. Some fancy stuff. I'm gonna have to talk to Chase. Got lobster and go, super dry. Alright, I don't know what super dry is. I think it's a clothing store, but I don't know like the hype behind it. Oh, he almost got hit by a bike. I don't even know. That man almost licked that man down. Big gas store. Okay, back to super dry. Like, I know it's a clothing store. We have one by NYU, but I don't know the hype in it. I don't know like why, you know. Yeah, so if you've ever shot from super dry, let me know in the comments. Let me know what it's about. Straight.